TV situation. I'm sitting like this, and the TV's right there. What? I don't understand. Who would make something like this?
Hey, I got a star lattes.
Oh, that explains it. Luca, why'd you get 4?
There's more to go around then.
But like, why?
I don't know, why wouldn't I?
Why did you waste money on coffee?
It was a good price,
to be
okay?
exact.
Sorry.
Yeah, but like we have ham on the counter, can't you see that?
It was
It's
a good
under
price
light.
too. Okay.
Luca,
It's cooking.
why are you buying all these things? They look cold. Are you even gonna warm them up?
I can put them in the microwave.
Just do it then. I'm
Okay,
thirsty.
okay.
Give me something.
You want anything in your coffee at least?
Nah, it should be fine.
Alright. I'm gonna put some potion in mine. Where's that? There it is.
Wait, isn't that illegal?
Only in some rec centers.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, this should be fine to put in the microwave, right? Ooh, steamy. Oh!
How am I supposed to afford rent now?
The coffee's microwaved at least.
Oh, okay.
This better be good. I'm paralyzed from the waist down from this.
It's pretty good.
Yeah, not too bad. Man, that was good.
That hit the spot. Hey, what happened to your hair?
Probably the potion. Should we ever call an ambulance now?
Yeah, sure. We'll do that.
Alright, thank you. I'm in a lot of pain.
The watches.
Please call them.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'll call.
Don't leave me. Come back. Ow!